If you love being the first to know about innovative products, apps, gadgets hitting the market soon, you are going to love IdeaPro's Launchpad. IdeaPro's Launchpad helps us to gauge interest and virally share these products out to an audience. So when you share from IdeaPro's Launchpad, you are helping support entrepreneurs who have been working on this dream for years, and they want to get their product out there. You sharing makes a difference. You matter, and we want to get you in so that you can help reach your base and share all of these entrepreneurs, but any products that you particularly feel drawn to with your audience. So how does it work? It's as simple as join, share, and win. First of all, you sign up with your name and email on the registration page, then like and share products that you're interested in, and share out your unique referral link so that you can get credit for anybody that comes in from you. So you instantly win 25% discount on any of the items that you follow. Yay! Discounted products, awesome products, no less. The more referrals that you make, the more discounts you win. And once you get to 25 referrals, you are entered into a contest to win up to $1,000 a month. Supporting the entrepreneurial spirit of our partners is so important to us, and we appreciate you for sharing it out. Thank you guys so much.